Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yogsala. My friends, today I'm going to teach you the grasshopper posture. So let's start it. My friends, in this posture actually the three things is important. Like first is the balance, second the twisting, and third is the hip opening here. So for that we need to be stronger arm muscles here, and the core power and the hip joints will be flexible here. So we have some exercise to make our arms stronger and the core and the twisting. So let's start it. So my friends, first we will practice some more related to wrist because the arm balance, hand balance here. So first we have to make our arms straight here, make your fingers straight and please like that. Then inhale, bring hands up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, one more inhale up and exhale down, last one inhale, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and slowly center, exhale down. One more exercise we can practice here. So for that we have to come into the cow posture. So what we have to do, place hands little in like that, but remember separate fingers. After that what we have to do, then inhale, bring the stomach a little forward here, exhale down, inhale, make stomach in, remember we have to bring our stomach in, exhale, one more inhale, and then hold, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, exhale. So after that, once again you can rotate your wrist like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have many more exercises here because I just showing you some because I don't want to make my video so long here, so that's why. So now second we are using first the hip opening. So what we have to do, first we have to sit straight here, then slowly bend left leg to leg up, chin shy, then right hand catch the heel, left hand to the big task, hold the left leg with the both hands, have with the both hands, then make back straight here, then inhale, bring the left leg back here, look straight, exhale, 2 more times, inhale, exhale, one more, inhale, and exhale, hold here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, exhale. Now change side here. So as same exercise we can practice with the right side also here. So we can do because I'm going to show you this posture only from one side here. So after what we need a twist here actually. So what we will do, inhale, bring hands overhead, exhale, slowly try to twist here on the floor, inhale, come to center, exhale, change the left side here, then inhale, come to center, exhale, go to the right side slowly, one more, inhale, come to center, exhale, go to the left side here, last one, inhale, come to the center, then exhale, slowly bend, slowly twist, right side, then we can hold here, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, then inhale, come to center, and then exhale, the left side we can twist here, as much you can, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then inhale, come to center, exhale, slowly bend forward, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then inhale, center, exhale. So my friend, this is just one kind of warm-up before we do the grasshopper, so we can practice this kind, or maybe we can do many more exercises here. So in this variation I'm just sitting Okay, I'm going to you when we will sit and then perform how to perform the grasshopper here. Okay, because there are many ways we can stand, then we can also practice, we also can perform. But this time I'm going to show you with the sitting position how to do okay here. Okay, so let's do it now. So first bring yourself okay a little bit, okay, the left side here, then please bend right leg to knee okay here, and then slowly bend left leg to knee also. Place your left foot okay here, calculate the right thigh please, but remember the big toes and that is with the parallel, your foot flat with the parallel to your thighs okay here, and then slowly bring hands back here like that. Remember, make sure that the core muscles, the core is inside okay. Now then inhale, bring the left hand over the head please, then maybe stretch from side okay a little, and then exhale slowly. When you are bringing your elbow okay to the right side, remember, just don't tuck or don't place only your elbow to the on your foot, the heel side. No, you have to cross it okay here, maximum. Okay, you need to bring the elbows down okay here. This one okay here. You know, if you will just only place it okay here, when you are going to make balance, so maybe it will be like that okay here. So maybe you will pull your leg back and you cannot make balance here. So better. So when are you going to twist in this time okay here? So we need to bring the elbow down as much you can here, like that. You can see. Okay, after you can see we have to twist from this the abdominal muscles okay here, the core. When you twist okay from here, and then after that what? Then we have to place hand down. But remember, try to separate fingers okay here. One more thing, don't bring hands in like that. So we have to place hands a little bit open, wide okay here, but separate fingers too. So if we have a separate fingers, so we can hold it very easily. Okay, so like that. So place it here, right hand. Don't tuck here. Remember, some people will try only here. No, we need to hold here. Okay, same position, both hands okay like that. So maybe then bring your right leg a little bit in. After that, inhale, slowly. Inhale okay here. Very good. So ready? Engage the core and then exhale. Slowly. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then slowly bend right leg to knee. Slowly hip down. And then both legs straight here. And then take relax, make yourself relax and feel comfortable. Okay, so like that also same thing okay we can do with the another side okay here. We can change side okay here. But I'm not going to show you because the video becomes so long. So like that my friends, we can practice the grasshopper. I hope you like that video or maybe you learn something more. So watching this video, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.